Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a bold makeup look, which I think is great with or without glasses. I was actually sent this pair of glasses from Firmoo, which is an online glasses store. And this in fact is my third pair of glasses from them. And honestly, I love their product as they are inexpensive, yet stylish and really good quality. In the past, I've done two simple glasses makeup looks before, and those were perfect for school or work, and I'll definitely leave those links down below. But for today, I wanted to do a bold look with the glasses, and of course, you can recreate this look without glasses as well. I hope you enjoy this video. Now let's get started. So I started off with my crease as usual, and as I mentioned, I'm using three different colors. So the first color I'm using is Raw Sienna, and I'm just taking it on my fluffy brush and applying it on my crease. And I'm doing this on both of my eyes. Once that's all blended, I've actually applied Burnt Orange, which is the second color, right on top of Raw Sienna. And as you can see already, the color is actually getting darker and darker in my crease. But because I'm going to be using a darker color on the base of my eyelids, I wanted a darker crease as well. I didn't want it to be too light. So on top of that, I'm applying Realgar, and that's a darker orangey brownie color. And I'm just applying that on top of the Raw Sienna, then the Burnt Orange, and then Realgar is the last shade that I'm applying on top of my crease shades. And the last color that I used in my crease was Realgar, and I just kind of took the residual that was on the brush and just applied it a little bit to the outer corner of my eye. Now, I'm sure you guys can already tell there's a bit of fallout, and that is the reason why I decided to start with my eyes. So just bear with me. I'm just going to apply all of the shades on my eyes before I clean it up. So I just used the same brush that I used in my crease, and I applied the color Venetian Red on the outer corners, and I kind of just packed on the color until I was happy with the intensity. And then I just took the residual that was on the brush and just kind of swiped it on the base of my eyelid. Now here is where I'm going to clean up the mess. So for this step, I actually just like to take my makeup pad with makeup remover on it, and I just kind of swipe it diagonally to kind of make a clean line on the outer corner of my eye. And this is the line I'm going to be using to apply my eyeliner. And for this look, I decided I wanted to do a wing, so this is going to be perfect for that. For eyeliner, I'm actually going to be using the Quick Flick eyeliner. So I usually start in the inner corner of my eye, slowly working my way to the outer corner, and then I usually fill in some of the spots that are missing. And as you can see, my shadow already kind of has a pre-made line where my wing is going to go. So that's really helpful when making a wing, just to kind of give you a guide. So for this look, I'm going to be prepping my skin using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And this is pore minimizing, and I'm just applying it with my hands all over my face. And then I'm topping it off with applying a little bit of foundation to my face, and it's going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in 210, which the color name is Sandy Beige. And I'm just applying it all over my face, making sure that I cover my forehead as well as a little bit of my neck as well. So today I'm just going to be color correcting a little bit using the NYX color corrector underneath my eyes. And this is like a salmony orangey kind of shade. So I'm just applying it with my finger underneath my eyes. And then on top of that, I'm going to be using my concealer. To conceal today, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium. And I'm just going to be using this underneath my eyes, a little bit on the bridge of my nose, and a little bit underneath my cheekbones where I would normally contour. Now for today's look, I'm going to actually eliminate the contouring because I just think a little bit of bronzer will do the trick. So for that, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Ablaze palette. And let me just tell you, this has been my holy grail for the last little while because it has bronzer, it has highlighter, and it has blush. Those are three things that lately I can't live without. So honestly, this palette is amazing if you're looking for a very compact palette. So anyways, I'm just going to bronze up a little bit of my face in the hollows of my cheek and a little bit underneath my chin. For highlighter, as I mentioned, I'm just using this golden shade that's in the Ablaze palette on the high points of my cheeks, a little bit on the nose, and a little bit on my Cupid's bow as well. And also from the Ablaze palette, I'm also using the blush that's in this palette, and I'm applying this to the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm just going back to complete my eyes. I'm going to start with doing my lower lash line, which I'm going to apply a little bit of dark shadow just to make them look complete. And for this, I'm using Cypress Umber, which is like a dark brown. Using a flat brush, I'm just applying it to underneath my lower lash line. Now to give my eyes the final touch, I'm just applying a little bit of mascara to my upper lash line and as well as my lower lash line using the L'Oreal mascara Miss Manga Rock, and it's in Blackest Black. And since this is the glasses look, I didn't want to bother with falsies because a lot of my falsies are actually too long and they end up hitting the glasses anyways, so I thought I'd just keep my lashes natural today. So for my lips, because this was a bold look, I decided to go pretty bold on my lips. And what I did was I applied a lip liner first, and this is from MAC. It's More to Love, which is a pro longwear lip pencil. And I not only outlined my lips, but I also filled it with this lip liner. And then I topped it off with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Lip Gloss. This is number 314 called Nude Allude. Their styles are super cute, good quality, and none of the glasses are over $39, which is amazing. This is my third pair of glasses and I'm so happy with them. All you have to do is put your prescription details in and you get your glasses shipped to you. And I'll leave more details in the description box if you'd like to order from them. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!